Hello and welcome to Mastering Excel Data Bridge. Today we're going to take a focus on editing existing stock records in Sage 200 Professional. My name is Zoe Young. I'm just one of the account managers here at Draycir. Now, if you're already watching this recording, you already know all about Excel Data Bridge. What you might not realize is quite how many functions that we have and more coming. So today we're going to be looking at the stock master function. So our ever popular stock master function has lots of different features, but the key features people use it for is deleting stock records in bulk, the ability to create new stock records, whether that's individual or in bulk. And what we're going to look at today is actually amending existing stock records. So let's take a look at Excel Data Bridge in action. So what I have in Sage is I have a product group called hampers. And the hamper group that we've got here, if I just click into one, you'll be able to see. So if you look at that Easter hamper, what you'll be able to see is that I've never put any associated barcodes to the product, and I also now have a new supplier that I want to add to all of these different hampers that I have. So my supplier has already supplied me with the information. So let's just download the hamper product groups from Sage itself into this Excel spreadsheet. So there we go. As quick as that, that's brought through all of my different hampers that are already in Sage. I've got two columns there, being barcode and supplier. So my supplier's already given me all the barcodes. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste that information against the correct hamper, and also have the supplier already in Sage 200. So what I'm going to do is just copy that supplier account number into the last column. Now all I need to do is press process. By pressing process, this is now making those changes into Sage for me. It's already been done, as quick as that. So now let's go into that hamper, my Easter hamper, and let's have a look. So what you can see is barcode is already there. If I go to the supplier, you can see my new supplier has also been added. Now, of course, you could use this to edit anything at all in your stock records. I just used the example of adding in an additional supplier and also adding in a barcode. But of course, you can use it for anything that you wish. If you've liked what you've seen today, there is a series of these recordings as well. But if you do have any more questions, you can see the contact details for Draycir on the screen here, or you can go to your business partner. Thank you very much for listening today. I've been Zoe Young.